So welcome back. We are going to be crafting the about section of our page, and we are going to be talking exclusively on the profile picture and some other visible settings that we can actually make on our page. So welcome back to this course. Now if you want to change the profile picture of your page, all you just want to do is just click on the photo icon and you click on edit profile. If you click on edit profile, it will give you the option to upload photo. So that is that about that. That is pretty simple. Everybody knows that. Okay, so to do that, you just scroll down to the settings of your page. Right here, this is the about section. Here you can enter the location. Now let us click on this and let us edit the description. Now for the description, you can just add what your business do. Now that you have that, it's automatically saved. So that is that about that. You can exit like this and close. So that is done. We can enter a website if we do have a website. We can enter a phone number. We can enter an email address. We can enter the business hour. You can add your social media platform. If you want to do that exclusively, just go ahead and click on edit page info. Here it will give you the open space to do all that. Here you can click on the contact to add every other thing that you want. As you can see here, we have talked about this and location as and more. So that is that about that. Crafting about section and updating your profile picture. Now let us move to the settings of our page and make some visible settings that we can actually look forward to. Now this is the general settings of our page. As you can see, this page visibilities and all this stuff right here. So from messaging, we already talked about messaging. We already talked about page info. We have already talked about WhatsApp, button, Instagram and all that. Now let us look at template and tab. Here, template and tab, we are currently on the service template. You can go ahead and edit to your taste if you are into business, venue, non-profit organization, for politician, public figures, restaurant and all that. So that is that about that. Now moving forward, we have issues of electoral and political at your business manager. That means the business suite. So that is that about that. If you have anything related to political stuff or electoral, you can just go ahead and hit on this to set that. We have talked about Instagram and WhatsApp and all that. Now for cross posting is you posting on your page and alternatively uploading that same post on another page. Here you can click on cross posting to add your page if you have a similar page of that nature. So that is that about that, and that is that about settings. The page row, you can take a look at this page row. Here you can assign to people, to your staff. You can go ahead and add them as editor or add them just to manage your page. If your page has actually grown big, you can actually have managers come to manage your page. So that is that about that, and without further wasting time, I'll see you right in the next video.